Hello everyone and welcome to another Hands-on Tech episode. On today's video, I want to show you how you can quickly add a greetings message custom to each individual users on your SharePoint pages so you can add that extra personal touch that will create more engagement with your intranet. So this will be a quick one, but will make a lot of difference for your end users. So stay right there while I guide you through the entire process. Before we jump into adding the solution to the SharePoint intranet, let me first introduce you to the Apps and Services web portal in my blog. This is a new area where I will be gradually adding everything that you can find spread across multiple posts and in my GitHub account online. In here, you will get a central repo for all those solutions. And I'm starting with 4 solutions. In the future, I will add more list formatting, more Viva Ace cards, those kind of things that I usually build. And this is where you will be able to download them. So today I will be explaining you how to install the greetings custom message for your intranet, and that is available as a web part for SharePoint. So let me filter this. In this page, you have all the details you need to know about this solution and how to get that. You have the description, you have the details, and also a link if you need support or if you want to chat with me more about a specific solution. So the first thing that you need to do to get this installed is click in this download button. I will open it, extract the SPPKG file to the downloads folder. Note that everything is already compiled and you don't need to compile and build the project yourself. It will be available in the GitHub repo, but well, if you don't have the time or if you don't have the knowledge to go through the SPFX project, well, in this place, everything will be ready for you to use. It's already extracted in my downloads folder. And what you need to do now is to go to your main app catalog or to the site collection app catalog if you want to isolate the installation of the solution. In this case, I will install it globally, so I will click in the greetings SPPKG file. I wanted to make it available to the entire tenant, and I want everyone to be able to add this to their sites. So I don't want it to be added to Teams right now, and I will hit the enable app. Now from your intranet with the landing page already in edit mode, you will have to click in the plus icon to add the new web part. Search for the greetings. It's this web part with the wave icon. Click on it, and just like that, and without requiring extra permissions for graph, it will display a custom welcome message followed by the name of the user. And this will be unique for every single user in your organization. If you want to customize the way the web part looks like, you can from the settings of the web part, and this will allow you to select the full name, just the first name, the last name, or no name at all if you don't want to get it personalized to each user. You simply want to get a generic message. And you can also customize the greeting message that it's displayed to the end user. You can go with the time of the day where it will say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or generic welcome, hello, or hi. And if you want to build something custom, for example, to wish a Merry Christmas to all your users, you can go and define a custom greetings message that will override what you have defined in the greetings message at the top. So if I type Merry Christmas in here, and if I add a nice Christmas tree, this is how things will look like. And well, you will have to compose it the way it looks best for you. You can go with the emoji in the beginning if you feel that it looks a bit better, and this way everyone will get a nice Merry Christmas message. It could be something else like enjoy summer or something else that it's relevant for the organization. So once you are happy with the customization that you've built, you can simply close the settings and save and close and publish or submit for approval your page if someone else needs to approve it. Well, and this is how you can easily add a custom greetings message to your SharePoint intranet. This came from my new section on the blog called Apps and Services. This is a pre-version of what this will be. From now on, every single solution and every single application that I've built and make available to the community, I will also make it available in this page so you can get a central repo for everything that I do. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know how you can enrich this solution in the comments so I might get new features if you have the need for them into the solution. And see you next time. Bye bye.